Ever walk into a crowded place and monkey heart go boom, boom, boom? Monkey feel all eyes on monkey, even when nobody looking. Monkey won't say one normal sentence, but brain press delete, mouth dry, hands sweaty, face hot, and one thought drop from tree. What if monkey say dumb thing and die from cringe? Many monkeys call this shy. But sometimes, not just shy. Sometimes this social anxiety. Social anxiety is big fear of being judged, criticized, humiliated. Not just I don't like talking. More like, what if I say wrong thing? What if voice shake? What if they think I'm weird? What if they think I'm not enough? These thoughts get loud, and monkeys start avoiding life. No speaking in meetings, no raising hand in class, no talking to new people. Sometimes even fear talking to cashier monkey at banana store. Important thing. Shyness can be personality style. Social anxiety can be a real psychological struggle. And yes, it can reduce. Outside, monkey may look quiet, cold, distant. Inside, chaos radio. Did I say wrong thing? Were they looking at me? Why I say that? Never coming back here again. Social anxiety show up in 3 lanes: mind, body, behavior. Mind lane. Self-criticism non-stop. Disaster thinking. Too much self-focus. Body lane. Racing heart, shaking, short breath, tight stomach, red face. Behavior lane. Avoid eye contact, arrive late or not come. Speak very short, hide behind phone. Here is trap banana. When monkey avoids, monkey feel better now. But brain learn wrong lesson. See? Dangerous. Next time, fear get bigger. Anxiety usually not from one reason, usually combo pack. Genetic sensitivity, childhood criticism or rejection, belief like, if I make mistake, I worthless, plus perfectionism monster. And social media jungle make it worse. Monkey see everyone highlight reel. Monkey compare with own bloopers. Result, monkey feel smaller. Imagine this. You with friends. Everyone talking. You say something. Someone says, sorry, what did you say? Outside. Maybe nothing. Inside. Alarm ring. That was stupid. I embarrassed myself. Next time, monkey disappear mode. Core point. Often not situation itself. It is meaning monkey brain gives situation. So ask monkey self, is this little nervousness or anxiety hurting school, work, relationships? If fear keeps stealing opportunities and pushing monkey away from people, professional support help a lot. This not mean weak monkey. This not mean broken monkey. This mean nervous system stuck in survival mode too long. Now, best part. Yes. Social anxiety can shrink. Step 1. Catch thought. Reframe thought. Instead of everyone judging me, try most people busy with themselves. Instead of if I mess up, game over, try mistakes are normal human thing. This is not fake positivity. This realistic thinking training. Step 2. Reduce avoidance. Use gradual exposure. No need big speech tomorrow. Start tiny. Ask short question. Say one sentence in group. Make short phone call. Each tiny step teach brain. Uncomfortable? Yes. Dangerous? No. Step 3. Drop safety behaviors. phone hiding, zero eye contact, rehearsing every line in head. Help short-term, feed anxiety long-term. Step 4. Calm body first. Anxiety starts in body. Body can calm it too. Slow breathing. Relax shoulders. Feel feet on floor. Simple tools. Strong effect. Step 5. Get professional support. EBT is one of the most effective tools for social anxiety. Sometimes medication support help too. Getting help is not weakness. It is investment in monkey future. If this feels familiar, remember this. You are not alone. Social anxiety is not identity. It is process. If learned, it can be unlearned. If grown, it can shrink. Maybe today, monkey take one tiny, brave step. That one step can reopen confidence door. If you want, comment, I take one small step today. Be kind to monkey self. See you next time. Bye.